Hello all. I'm sitting by a window here because I thought I'd just share with you what I'm going to be up to today, to get away from the madness of our back garden since Mike started extending the shed. I'm actually off to the RHS flower show up at Tatton Park, and it's something that I've been looking forward to for weeks, if not months. And I don't know, with all the warmth and the heat we've had recently, I had images of flouncing round in a nice linen frock and a straw hat. But if I just turn you round, I'll show you what's happening now. It's raining. Yeah, so now I'm looking at my I'm looking at taking my allotment boots and umbrella and basically lots of waterproof layers. So we'll see how it goes. I'll report back. Okay, it's been an atrocious drive up the motorway, but I've landed. There's been so much rain come down in my journey up here that I've now decided I'm going to change out of these and into these. Okay, I'm completely lost here. I parked right next to where I thought I could collect my pass, but apparently not. And this is where I am. It doesn't look very promising, does it? So yeah, apparently if I follow this green fence for 5 minutes, I should get to where I want to be. I mean, I can see the tops of the show, little tents. They're everywhere, but yeah, but apparently not the right place for me, so I'll get back to you. I'm in. Okay, all I've got to do now is get all of that into there